is a very special sound of sunrise this morning. We have none other than Alessandra Gutierrez, also known as Bakersfield's Mariachi Girl. She's the elementary category winner of the 2024 National Mariachi Youth Vocalist Competition. And we're so excited to have you in.
She's about the cutest thing ever. How are you doing?
Good.
You're doing good. Can you tell everyone good morning?
Good morning.
So I had to ask you, because you're kind of a big deal. And you've got so many fans across the entire country, and it's all just because you like to sing, right? Why do you like to sing so much?
I like to sing because I like to sing the mariachi songs.
Yeah? And do you sing to your family all the time?
Mm-hmm.
All the time,
Their
right?
family's off camera going,
Yeah?
oh yeah, she does. Why do you like singing mariachi?
Because some of the songs have a lot of high notes and I love singing them.
And you can get those high notes? Yeah.
Who'd you bring with you this morning?
My vocal coach, my mom, my sister, and my dad.
So fun. They're your support team, your fan club, all of that, right? What was it like going to the national competition?
It was awesome.
Yeah? Were you scared?
A little bit.
A little bit?
Probably a lot of people there, right?
Well,
Yeah.
you are just so incredible.
Thank
And
you.
also, look how amazing this dress is.
I know, and I saw the way it sways. That's a fun skirt.
My grandma made it.
Oh, she did.
Oh my gosh, that is so cool, Alessandra. I love it.
And so, do you like wearing this? I'm sure obviously it's beautiful, but is it neat that your grandma made it?
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
That's pretty
So
special.
what song are you going to sing?
I'm going to sing Los Laureles.
Okay.
Okay, you feel like doing it? You ready to go?
All right.
Okay.
Here we go.
All right, you guys are in for such a treat. All right, take it away.
Hola linda, cántale bonito como sabes.
Ay, qué laureles tan verdes, qué rosas tan encendidos. Si piensas abandonarme, mejor quítame la vida. Alza los ojos a verme si no estás comprometido. Eres matada algodón que vives en el capullo. Ay, qué tristeza me da cuando te llenas de orgullo de ver a mi corazón enredado con el tuyo. Eres rosa de Castillo, que solo en mayo se ve. Quisiera ser tu invite, pero la verdad no sé. Si tienes quien te lo evite, mejor me separaré. Por ahí va la despedida, chinitos por tus quereres. La perdición de los hombres son las benditas mujeres, y aquí se acaban cantando los versos de los laureles.
Oh, Alessandra,
everyone, the national champion.
Look at this.
Oh my goodness.
Incredible. You did it.
Such
Great
a trooper.
job.
Thank you so much, Alessandra, and thank you to her whole family for coming in this morning, waking up early. Mornings and weather in 30 minutes.
Make it a great Friday, everyone.
Yay!